Don't that look delicious? How's it going, everyone? It is September 23rd, and it's probably time for a bee yard update. I'm just now getting around to harvesting my fall flow. I have already harvested once. I've got about 60 gallons. And yeah, it's just been busy. See, I still got some supers on. Got some hives in the back. Got one super on that one, two over there. And two on that one. This hive right here is gonna get split up, and one box is going on that hive and the other box is going on that hive because that queen is mean and I do not like her, so she's going to go bye-bye. There's Queen Phyllis that I did the bee removal the other day, and then I got two more supers, and I figure I get about a 5-gallon bucket per 1.5 supers. So that'd be a full bucket, and then so yeah, 3 supers to what? 3 supers for 2 full 5-gallon 60-pound buckets. But that's what I'm doing today. I better get this off before I start a robbing situation. Sorry I haven't been posting more videos, but that last video of the bee removal took 12 hours to download, and half that time I was actually in the city and not in this rural area I live in. So I apologize that I haven't been doing videos as often as I used to, and I've just kind of been doing some other things. But if you're sticking with me, I appreciate it. And if you're new, welcome. And I guess that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.